Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get some interesting results with CPA Grip network. Here you can see my result. I have got some interesting results with CPA Grip network. CPA Grip is most popular CPA network. You can use this CPA network to get some interesting results. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can choose any of the CPA offers to promote. Here you can see these CPA offers are performing well. Here you can see offers performance. Let me show you how you can use CPA Grip network. I'm going to share with you step by step. You can watch this full video. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can go on CPA Grip network. Guys, here you can see a statistics overview of CPA Grip network. First of all, you will have to create account on this CPA network. You can click on register button. It will then take you to this page. You can type your first name, last name, your address, your email address, password. You can read and accept your terms of service. At last, you can click on register now button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see my result. You can click on my offers button. You can select your Australia country. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see title, here you can see description, here you can see landing page of the CPA offer. Here you can see payout rate. And here you can see accepted device. This offer is only allowed on Android in Australia. Here is showing CPA link. You can click here to copy the CPA link. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on tinyurl website. You can paste your CPA link. Now you can click on shorten link button. Here is showing shorten URL. You can click here to copy the shorten URL. Now in next step what you will have to do is you can go on adpostman.com platform. You can click on ads button. You can click on all ads button. Guys, here you can see all advertisements. Lots of people are posting advertisement on this platform. You can click here to open this advertisement. You can scroll down. Here you can see image. Here you can see description. And here you can see clickable text. This person has inserted website URL on this text. When any user will click on this text, then they are redirected on this person's website. This person has also added website URL in description. You can also add your CPA link in description. Let me show you how you can create posts on this website. You can click on post free ads button. Now you can scroll down. You can select your category. You can select your category according to your CPA offers. Now you can select your shop category. Now you can scroll down. You can type your ad title. Guys, I am not selling anything. I'm going to off this price. Type your ad title. You can type your ad description. You can scroll down. You can upload your image. Now you can select your country. Guys, you can see this CPA offer is accepted in Australia country. You can select your Australia country. You can type your website URL. You can type here your CPA offers link. Now you can scroll down. You can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on submit button. I'm going to fill all of this information. You can type for this kind of title. You can type for this kind of description. Now I'm going to insert your CPA link. You can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. You can paste your CPA link. You can go on tinyurl platform. Guys, here is showing certain URL of CPA link. You can click here to copy this certain URL. Now you can go on this website. You can paste your certain URL. Click on this button. Now you can scroll down. If you want, you can upload your image. This image will help you to get more engagements. Now you can scroll down. You can select your Australia country. You can type your phone number. You can paste here your certain URL. You can scroll down. At last, you can click on submit button. Guys, after getting approval, your advertisement will go live on this website. Here you can see image, here you can see description, and here you can see clickable text. When user from Australia click on this clickable text using Android device, then they are redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that user will complete the required step, then CPA Grip may credit your account with the payout soon for this offer. So guys, it's one of the best method to get some interesting results with CPA Grip network. If you want to learn more about CPA Grip network, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.